In this video, I'm going to show you how to make factory data reset on Samsung A series devices like A50, A30, A51 and A31 and like other devices. So you just need to go to the settings. Now from here, scroll down until you find this general management settings. Now tap on it. Now from here at the bottom you'll find reset option. You can tap on reset, and from here you'll find this factory data reset, which will erase all the data on your phone and all the settings. It will make all the settings to the default settings, and this is you can just make backup from here. You can use you can find the data here, and last here you can find some caution from here, some instruction that it will delete or erase your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content, the decryptive key for files on the SD card that you have added. It will also erase your SD card if you give the permission. So now you just need to simply press on this register button, and it is this the confirmation section where you have to confirm this process by entering the pin code or password or the pattern that you have set for your lock screen. Just like I just need to add this pin number and then tap on next, and it will ask again that you are erasing all your data on your device. Then you can find an option to create backup of your data, device data and device application and other images and videos. So you can make the backup data on Google Drive or Samsung account. So you make sure that you have enough space on your drive to make a backup for your device. So that's how you can simply factory reset your device, your Samsung Galaxy A series devices. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.